Intel Arc 140V Xe2 GPU outperforms Arc A370M approaches GTX 1650 OpenCL performance. Intel Arc 140V, the first taste of Xe2 graphics architecture, debuting next week. Intel is about to announce and launch its new mobile CPU series, Core Ultra 200V Lunar Lake. These low-power mobile chips are designed for lightweight laptops, mini PCs, and gaming consoles. This architecture introduces a new NPU neural processing unit that is 3 times faster than its predecessors Meteor Lake, along with the new CPU cores Lion Cove and Skymount. The most important detail is in the integrated graphics subsystem. This is Intel's first product featuring the new generation of Xe2 graphics. Specifically, this variant is called Xe2 LPG, a low power version of what will eventually be released as Xe2 HPG for discrete graphics. The Core Ultra 200V series will offer 2 configurations of Arc graphics, the Arc 140V with 8 Xe2 cores and Arc 130V with 7 Xe2 cores. The first OpenCL test with Arc 140V can be found on CompuBench, a compute-oriented benchmark. As you can see here, they are introducing the computer performance for Intel Arc 140V GPU 8GB. The benchmark does not specify which Core Ultra 7 SKU was used for this test. However, the information tab shows that the GPU has a clock speed of 2000 MHz, leaving only 2 possibilities: Core Ultra 7 268V with 32GB of RAM or Core Ultra 7 266V with 16GB of RAM. The GPU is confirmed to have access to 8GB of system shared memory. It's important to note that OpenCL benchmarks are not ideal for gaming comparison. These tests measures raw compute performance, which is more relevant for video processing than for games that do not use actual this graphics API. The Arc A370M with 8 Xe cores of Xe LPG architecture and a TDP ranging from 35 to 50 watt is a direct competitor. Despite the Lunar Lake's lower TDP of 17 to 30 watt, it outperforms the A370M significantly. The 140V also surpasses the Radeon 780M and is close to GTX 1650 in performance. However, again, keep in mind that this is not a gaming benchmark, and if we can see here, Intel Arc 140V A370M graphics against the AMD Radeon 780M against the 1650 and Radeon 6400. In the level set segmentation, Intel Arc 140V score 3780. In level set segmentation 256, the Intel Arc 140V score 5325, and in Ocean Surface Simulation, Intel Arc 140V score 1536, and in Cat-Mule-Clark subdivision, Intel Arc 140V score 178.28, and in Cat-Mule-Clark subdivision level 5, Intel Arc 140V GPU score 118, and the list goes on. But it's good to see that Intel Arc 140V new technology beating the A370M by a good margin. The Intel Core Ultra 200V is set to launch on September 3rd. Intel has already released a driver supporting these graphics, so once a content creator with a cross to retail channel gets a sample, we should start seeing gaming performance reviews. If the performance in game matches that of Radeon 780M, it would be a positive outcome and could provide Intel with an opportunity to expand in the handheld gaming market. Intel Core Ultra 200V Lunar Lake and the scores showed in the benchmark narrowed down to the 2 of Core Ultra 7 processors, 268V and 266V, cause these two are the only one in the lineup using Arc 140V graphics and the clock speed of 2.0 GHz, as you can see here.